Hello, I am Glorious. Welcome to today's literature lesson. Today I'm going to take you through understanding the book Blossoms of Savannah. But this is just an introduction. You may need to follow up in the next videos to learn more of what I'm going to tell you today. You know that Blossoms of Savannah is an important book because it comes in paper 2 as an excerpt, and it is always 25 marks. Today, I'm going to show you how we are going to scope not less than 23 marks, 23 out of 25. So this excerpt on Blossoms of Savannah should actually be a booster subject to you, a booster part to you. All right? So, in order for you to have or to get 23 marks and above, you have to have some knowledge on what the examiners expect of you. What is it that the examiners want to know from you? All right? So that is what I'm going to show you in this video. Okay. Now, the first thing that examiners want to know is, do you know how the story flows? Do you know the flow of the story from the beginning to the end? Do you know how chapters follow each other? All right? That's why examiners will always ask you to place the excerpt in its immediate context. Place the excerpt in its immediate context. Meaning, you have to read and reread this set text, Blossoms of Savannah, as many times as possible so that you may know how events follow each other in the text. All right? Another thing that examiners would want to know is, do you understand themes? Do you understand themes? All right? That's why they will ask you to identify the themes that are present in the excerpt. So you need to understand, you need to know what are some of the themes that are present in Blossoms of the Savannah in the first place. The themes should be on your fingertips. All right? Another thing is examiners would want to know is, do you have an understanding of character traits? Character traits. All right? You realize that each and every character has a different character trait. So you'll be asked, what are some of the character traits of, for example, Rezian as shown in the excerpt? Or what are some of the character traits of Ole Kulet as shown in the excerpt? All right, so you just have to state the character traits as illustrated in the excerpt unless stated otherwise. Another thing that examiners always want to know from you is, do you have an understanding of vocabulary? Vocabulary. How many English words do you know? Can you be able to identify meaning, or can you be able to say the meaning of particular words? So a list of words will be given. These words are extracted from the excerpt, and you'll be asked to state the meaning of each and every word. Sometimes they'll ask you to make sentences of those words, but you have to bring out their meaning. Right? So you must read the excerpt appropriately and try to find out the meaning of those particular words that have been given. Another important thing that examiners want to know from you is about stylistic devices. Stylistic devices. you realize that this writer, Ole Kulet, has used various stylistic devices to bring out his message in the excerpt or in the text. So you have to identify the particular stylistic devices that have been used and also state their significance. Significance. So first, you're supposed to state the particular stylistic device, then tell us the meaning or its significance, the significance or the purpose of that stylistic device at that point. All right. Another thing that examiners always want to know from you is your understanding of grammar. Grammar. Okay. Here, you'll be given a sentence. Okay. After giving a sentence, you'll be asked to maybe punctuate the sentence or write the sentence in plural, or sometimes to write the sentence in direct speech or write it in direct or indirect speech. Okay, so grammar rules should be on your fingertips because you will need it here on this particular type of question. Another thing, another most important thing that examiners want to know from you is your understanding of mood, your understanding of attitude, and tone. You'll be asked to state what is the mood that is prevalent in the excerpt. Okay? Sometimes you'll be asked to state the attitude of a particular character trait towards a particular subject matter. Or you may be asked to state what is the tone that, for example, Rezian is using to express herself, for example, in a particular conversation. Right? So your knowledge on mood, attitude, and tone is very important. So all this is just a broad overview of what examiners expect of you. And so in the next video, in the next lesson, I'm going to take you through Blossoms of Savannah step by step, and you'll be able to understand each and every aspect that examiners need, because that is all you want to know in Blossoms of Savannah. Okay? Yes, about what examiners need. All right? So, and I promise you, when you listen very carefully as you take your simple notes, you'll be surely able to get not less than 23 marks in this excerpt. Thank you so much for listening to this lesson. I'm hoping to see you next time. You can forward your questions and I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you.